Today we will start with our unit 2, that is data mining. First concept is why data mining. As we know, there is a explosive growth of data. The data is growth from terabytes to petabytes. There are various automated data collection tools. There are various database system, web computerized society. So the major sources of the abundant data is business, means there are various businesses. It includes the web, then e-commerce, then transactions, science, it may be remote sensing, bioinformatics, scientific simulation, then society and everyone, means there are various news, digital cameras, YouTube videos, YouTube. So we are droning it data and striving for the knowledge. What is data mining? To refer the mining of gold from rocks or sand, we say that gold mining instead of rock and sand mining, means we are mining the gold from rocks and sand, so we are referring that term as a gold mining, not the rocks and sand mining. So data mining means extracting the knowledge from the data. So extraction of interesting, non-trivial, implicit, previously unknown and potential useful patterns of knowledge from huge amount of data is called as the data mining. Actually it is a knowledge mining from the large amount of data. The alternative names from these data minings are knowledge discovery or knowledge mining in database, that is KDD, then knowledge extraction, data pattern analysis, data archaeology, data rigging, information harvesting, business intelligence. So knowledge discovery process, this is the knowledge discovery process. In this, the first step is data pre-processing techniques, in which data cleaning, data integration, then data selection, these techniques are used. As we have seen that data pre-processing techniques in unit 1, data cleaning means to remove the noise and inconsistent data. Then data integration means collecting multiple sources of data and merge that data. Data selection means the relevant data relevant to the analysis task is retrieved from the database, that is called as the data selection. Then data transformation, where the data is transformed into forms of appropriate for data mining. Okay, then data mining means mining the knowledge from the data. Then pattern evaluation, here the interesting patterns are represented according to the knowledge. And knowledge presentation, where visualization and knowledge presentation techniques are used to present the mined knowledge to the user. So it may be in terms of charts and graphs. So we are presenting our knowledge which are mined from the data to the user. So that is the knowledge, and it is in the form of charts and graphs. Okay, so this is the KDD process.